Have you ever wondered why insurance is such a crucial part of our lives? It's a question that we rarely ponder, but it's worth a thought. You see, insurance is everywhere, subtly woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. It's there when you purchase a new car, sign the lease for your apartment, or even when you plan that much-needed vacation. But why is that? Why does society place such a high emphasis on having insurance? Well, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Life, as we all know, is full of uncertainty. It's a roller coaster ride filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. And while we may relish the thrill, the unexpected dips can be quite daunting. Now imagine having a safety net, something that catches you when you fall, cushions the impact, and helps you bounce back. That's what insurance essentially is, a safety net. It's there to provide us with a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that we're covered in case of an unexpected event or circumstance. Think about it. You're driving down a road, and out of nowhere, a deer jumps in front of your car. You swerve, hit a tree, and the next thing you know, you're looking at a damaged car and a hefty repair bill. But if you have car insurance, it steps in to cover the cost of repairs, sparing you from a financial setback. Or consider health insurance. It's not something we like to think about, but what if you fall ill or have an accident? Medical bills can quickly pile up, often leading to financial strain. But health insurance serves as a buffer, helping to cover those hefty medical expenses. So when you look at it that way, insurance is more than just a piece of paper. It's a shield, a protection against the unpredictable events life may throw our way. It's a tool that helps us manage risks and ensure that we're not left in a financial bind when the unexpected happens. So, insurance is a shield, a protection against the unpredictable events life may throw our way. But what exactly is insurance and how does it work? Well, at its core, insurance is a promise of protection. It's a contract, often referred to as a policy, between you and your insurance company. In this agreement, you pay a certain amount of money, known as a premium, and in return, the insurance company agrees to pay for specific types of losses or damages that may happen. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a carnival and you're about to play a game of chance. You're pretty confident, but there's still a risk you might lose. Now, what if you could pay a small amount? So even if you lose the game, you won't lose everything. That's a simplified way to understand insurance. Insurance is all about managing risks. Life is full of uncertainties, and while we can't predict what will happen in the future, we can prepare for it. And that's where insurance comes in. It provides us with a safety net, so if something unexpected does happen, we're not left in a financial hardship. Now, you might be wondering, how can insurance companies afford to cover these losses? Well, it's all about pooling. When you buy an insurance policy, you're joining a pool. Not a swimming pool, but a pool of many other policyholders. The money collected from all policyholders is used to pay for the losses of those who end up needing it. Let's go back to our carnival game. Imagine if everyone playing the game put their money into a communal pot. The people who win the game won't need to take from the pot, but those who lose will have their losses covered by it. That's how insurance works. It's a collective effort to protect everyone within the pool from significant potential losses. It's important to remember that insurance isn't a way to prevent bad things from happening. It won't stop a storm from damaging your home or an accident from damaging your car. But what it can do is provide financial support when these things happen. So, in essence, insurance is a pool of people's money to protect themselves from significant potential losses. Now that we understand what insurance is, why is it so important? Let's delve into that. Insurance is much more than just a monthly or annual payment that seems to disappear into the ether. It's a safety net, a protective barrier that stands between us and potential financial disaster. It's the night watchman keeping a vigilant eye while we sleep, ensuring that we're covered against unforeseen events that could otherwise send us spiraling into financial chaos. Imagine for a moment you're a homeowner. One day, a storm wreaks havoc on your property, causing significant damage. Without insurance, you'd be left to bear the brunt of repair costs, which could run into thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. But with insurance, you're covered. Your insurer steps in, shouldering most, if not all, of the financial burden. You're able to repair your home without draining your savings or plunging into debt. It's this sense of security, this peace of mind that makes insurance so vital. It allows us to live our lives, to plan our futures, without the constant worry of what if. What if there's a fire? What if there's a break-in? What if I get into a car accident? With insurance, those what ifs become less daunting because we know we're not alone in facing them. But the importance of insurance extends beyond individual protection. It's a linchpin of economic stability and growth. Businesses, both large and small, rely on insurance to mitigate risks, to provide a safety net that allows them to operate with confidence and certainty. It encourages entrepreneurship and innovation, as potential business owners are more likely to take the plunge if they know they're protected against major losses. Insurance also facilitates economic activity by providing stability. In a world of uncertainties, it offers a level of predictability, allowing businesses to plan, invest, and grow, secure in the knowledge that they're covered should disaster strike. Insurance, therefore, serves as a crucial economic tool that allows both individuals and businesses to operate with confidence. It's not just about protection, it's about empowerment. It's about creating an environment where we can all prosper, despite the risks and uncertainties that life inevitably throws our way. So, what types of insurance should you consider having? Well, let's begin with life insurance. This kind of coverage is essential, especially if you have dependents. Life insurance provides a financial safety net for your loved ones if you were to pass away unexpectedly. It can help cover funeral costs, pay off any outstanding debts, and provide a source of income for your dependents. Next up, we have health insurance. With the rising cost of medical care, having health insurance is crucial. It can help cover doctor visits, hospital stays, medications, and other health-related costs. Without health insurance, a single illness or injury can lead to financial ruin. Then there's auto insurance. If you own a car, auto insurance is a must. It can help pay for repairs if your car is damaged or stolen, and it can protect you against liability if you're at fault in an accident. Auto insurance can also cover medical expenses for you and your passengers if you're injured in a crash. Let's not forget about property insurance. Whether you own a home or rent an apartment, property insurance can protect you from financial loss if your property is damaged or destroyed by a covered event, like a fire or a storm. It can also cover the cost of replacing your belongings if they're stolen. And lastly, there's liability insurance. This type of coverage protects you if you're sued for causing harm to someone else or damaging their property. It can cover legal fees and any damages you're required to pay, up to the limit of your policy. But remember, insurance isn't one size fits all. Your needs will depend on various factors, like your lifestyle, your financial situation, and your tolerance for risk. You might also want to consider other types of insurance, like disability insurance or long-term care insurance, depending on your specific circumstances. Different types of insurance cover different types of risks. The key is to understand what risks you are most exposed to and get protected. To wrap up our discussion on insurance, let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered today. Insurance, as we've learned, is much more than a piece of paper or a mere business transaction. It's a crucial tool for managing risks and protecting ourselves from the unexpected twists and turns of life. We started our journey by asking the question, what exactly is insurance? We discovered that insurance is a contract, a safety net that provides financial protection against potential losses. It's about sharing risks with others, spreading them out so they don't hit any one person too hard. It's about ensuring that when the unexpected happens, you're not left on your own to face the financial consequences. Next, we delved into the importance of insurance. We emphasized that insurance is not just about recovering from losses. It's about providing peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if something goes wrong. It's about securing your financial stability, ensuring that a single incident doesn't wipe out your savings or push you into debt. It's about protecting your loved ones, your assets, and your future. Then, we explored the different types of insurance, each designed to protect different aspects of our lives. From health insurance that takes care of medical bills, to life insurance that provides for our families in our absence, to property insurance that safeguards our homes and possessions, each type of insurance has its own importance and role to play. So, as we conclude this discussion, remember that insurance isn't just a legal requirement or a business transaction. It's an investment in your peace of mind, in your financial stability, and in your future. It's about taking control of the uncertainties of life, not leaving things to chance, but making sure you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Insurance, therefore, is not just a legal requirement or a business transaction. It's a way to ensure peace of mind and financial stability in a world full of uncertainties.